What up? Welcome to
Barnum McDuffie!
Hustle up!
It's your boy Chef LeBert. We are here at the Barnum McDuffie House, Syracuse University, ready to do a Haitian cooking class. So follow up. Let's go. About to set ourselves up so that we can get ready for the class later on today. Super excited, super stoked to share with everybody on campus and who attend. You start sauteing your APs first. If you guys want to come closer and see, check out the rice. So this is the stage where you start, you can cover the rice. What is our responsibility to move forward and maintain